About the pieces?
Yes.
Yes, we have three types of masticha drops. We have the large, the medium, and the small type. And the difference is not in the taste, but not even in the aroma, but it lies in the uses of each type. For example, the small pieces are more hard, so people can smash them easier, and they don't get stuck very easily. So they use them in cooking, because they smash them, they make them powder, and they use it in cooking, in confectionery, etc.
Okay.
The large pieces are more soft, and they are mainly used in distillation.
To make
for
the
example,
liquor.
to make the liquors, we make masticha oil in our association by the larger pieces of masticha,
Okay.
and those are their mainly uses. The medium, I think that it is the best one in order to chew it directly.
Ah, yes.
Because it's in the middle.
Okay.
The small pieces are very hard, the large pieces may be soft and they may stuck in the teeth, so a medium size is better.
Okay.
And sometimes some people take a large piece and 2 or 3 small pieces, and they put them all together in the mouth so as to make a mixture that it will be
It's a
suitable
natural
for
gun.
chewing.